question why they hating on me. I got a question why they hate.
Happy pills? Oh, darling, what are these? They look fantastic. I think I just had one. I'm not feeling it.
Gotta give a damn about my reputation. Living in the past with the new generation. Do what you want to do, and that's what I'm gonna do. And I don't give a damn.
Oh, these happy pills are just fantastic. I should tell someone about them. Blanche? Yes, dearest. Oh, gotta try these happy pills. They're just heavenly. Do you want to try some of this? Oh, sure. Don't be carried away. Good. Let's go, Rose. There's a new SmackDown Wrestling special on tonight. I really want to see that. Rose, there's something the matter with you, because these don't look like you're telling me. Did you take your medicine, there, Blanche? Yeah, I did take my medicine this morning, and I also took some of these, along with my birth control pills. Because you can probably be too many men. Because when I'm in the ghetto, I tend to... Oh, never mind, that's another story. But anyways, like I said, these don't work like they should. Well, I'm sorry, Blanche. I think you're just messed up. Well, I don't think you're telling me the truth, so... You mushrooms. Oh dear, did I accidentally throw that? Blanche is a
Mean woman.
I am not. How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? No, Blanche, you don't want to do this. Blanche! Oh, we were best friends in high school. No, we were never best friends. You just got sad.
And I don't give a damn about my bad reputation. Oh no, 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 not me. And I don't give a damn about my reputation.
So, Blanche, how long have you known Rose? How dear. I've known Rose for about 55 years. I've known her, about that, since 39. So, Blanche, what are things you don't like about Rose? I'll have to think back to the back of my memory here. I don't like how after she eats, she makes this disgusting bed, and it smells like poop. However, can you comment on that, Rose? I just say she's a...
Very mean woman.
Okay, this is an interview. Please don't say that. I know you guys are old and I respect it, but please. Those young people. Blanche, can you comment on what she just said? Yes. So Blanche, how do you feel about your best friend for 82 years manipulating you by making you take those happy pills? Dear. How long ago was that? Seems like it was yesterday. Oh, it was yesterday. Anyways, I have long lived and forgiven Rose. Kind of, but what are you doing, Rose? What the? Sorry. Yes, Rose. I don't appreciate you doing that to me. Shut up! So, since you made me mad and reminding me of the Happy Pills incident, this interviewer, Stop sipping your cup. I have to do one thing. I'll spill a little bit before the show is over. What is that, Blanche?